Formula to add minutes to Date+Time in Excel. If I have a cell formatted as Date+Time in Excel, how can I add to this in terms of minutes? It would need to work whether I was adding 20 minutes or 2500 minutes. So, for example, if I had this spreadsheet, what formula could I put in B5 to get a result of September 22, 2013 09 column 10? I tried using equals before plus time 0 B3 as 0, but it gives September 21, 2013 09 column 10, which is a day off. It works fine though if B3 is less than a day's worth.
You would need to divide the number of minutes by 1440, 24 hours in a day times 60 minutes in an hour, and then add that to the date. Or if you want to be more verbose. The reason this works is that Excel Date+Time values are stored as a floating point decimal number representing the number of days that have passed since January 1, 1900. So 1 hour is essentially represented as 0.041666666666, 1 day divided by 24 hours. If you further divide that by 60, the number of minutes in an hour, then you will get the representation of minutes, which is 0.00069444444, 1 day divided by 24 hours divided by 60 minutes. The reason that equals time, does not work as you expected is that its return value is limited to less than 1 day, i.e. 0 to 0.99999999999. Anything that would result in more than 1 day would wrap around again.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.